Hello, welcome back. Welcome to 2025. This is the first video I've decided to do in this new year. It's not actually the first, it's like the
5th?
6th? 5th. Yeah, it's the 5th.
I think
it's the 5th. Today, it's just a Sunday today, but I figured that we could start with a nice chill video, because that's what we're in the mood for lately here, Molly. We're getting into our more chilled lifestyle this year. I feel like that's the theme.
Well,
kind of.
We do want to hustle and grind. We've got some absolute audacious goals.
I really do.
I feel like we are resting enough to produce our best work, not earning our rest from burning out.
Yeah, some good words.
Thank you.
Some strong words. I'm struggling with words. Yeah, I've personally stumbled across a load of content. There she goes. A load of content that is around homesteading, and slowing down a little bit, like home growing, medicinal. I don't know. I'd probably just say hippie shit. I feel like it's kind of inspired me to make videos that are a little bit slower and they're a little bit different to just going to the gym and doing jits. While that is still going to be like a large portion of the content that I put on here anyway. Be more mindful, more demure, as they would say, you know. No, but there's a couple things, and I'm setting some goals at the moment. We're doing quite a lot of journaling together, where we're kind of just figuring out our new flow, I think. Being a bit more intentional with screens and dreams, really. Screens and dreams.
Really getting clear on what we want life to feel like for us, because success is different for everyone, and just because everyone else is dreaming of huge houses and fancy cars, if you're not happy with where you're at, if you're not happy with who you are, you're never going to be happy no matter what you achieve or what material you end up with. Yeah, we're slowing down a little where we can,
yeah.
Deal with ambitious structure in our goals. But like you say, in between those moments where we're grafting hard, it's slowing it down. It's not conforming us.
Being a little bit more patient.
Yeah.
With things.
And making more time for joyous and present things, like reading or journaling or gardening, walking, playing with Odin.
Yeah.
And I think we're both really discovering how fulfilling that is.
Today is just like an us day. Me, Ollie, Nala. Ah, yes, that was what I wanted to include in this as well. I did take this camera. We did take a few cameras down to Devon, because we thought we would probably vlog or film some at Christmas. We didn't actually end up doing that. I always have this expectation that I will, but I think nowadays I'd rather just actually live in the moment of Christmas and not feel pressured to film it or do any of those things. Oh God, there's people coming. What do I do? Huh?
Infinity.
I can't. The moors. Oh God, no, there's too much pressure. It was a gorgeous day. We went for a nice little mooch. A good little stomp, as John would say. Hello. Oh wow. Come here. Woohoo! Yeah, got it all dirty. Very.
What trips you up? I did.
That's the ultimate steady. And you do the old. In the dungeons!
I think you should
What?
jump it.
Considering that, like, it's the dead of winter,
Yeah.
and I would never do this. Like, I've never wanted to dip my feet into the
Yeah.
I feel like even this is quite a large stone. So painful.
That's it.
I reckon my feet will feel better.
This was lovely. We spent a lot of time in the sea, which I feel like I didn't realise how much I missed.
Spent a lot of time in the sea.
I think
We were in there
compared
for
no,
minutes at a time,
but compared to most people who don't go in the sea during the winter or the summer,
we
spend a lot of time in the sea.
You seed it.
We did the Boxing Day dip, which is slowly becoming more of a tradition now. It's 2 years in a row we've done it. My family and like my best mate's family, they all love a cold dip, so we've got like a whole group that go in, and we did Boxing Day, day after, and the day after that I think as well. We also even like put our feet in the River Dart, which is fucking freezing, but it was delightful. We had a really lovely time. Good morning from a very cold early Devon, a Goodrington Road to be Pacific. We're about to go and do a morning dip. We've got the whole gang. Mum, Molly. No, you can't. No one can be seen because it's all blurry. Dad. Oh, our dad's not getting in today. We normally all get in as a gang. We go try and do this thing first thing in the morning. As you can see, it is pretty cold. I checked the weather earlier. It says it's 5 degrees out today, so the sea's going to be, I don't know, a tepid 8, maybe a 7 if we're lucky. It is disgusting. It's never any easier. It doesn't get. No, it is amazing, but it doesn't get any easier. I've got to get changed, and I thought I just kind of wanted to bring the camera because we wanted to film some bits while we're here, and it's just a beautiful morning. If you just look out there, it's really foggy, it's hazy, and the water's really still. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to grow a small, tiny, childlike penis.
Hey, is it going out?
It's going up. Well,
Where's the safest
hold.
camera? Where's the safest?
I'll probably just put it there.
There? Yeah, you'll be fine there.
Yeah. Just trying to figure out a spot where you guys can go so you can see us freeze our tits off. Having doubts.
You have to channel some anger. Get me out there.
Oh, I've got this is my brain now, so my fingers are already going. Hold on. Yes.
Smile's frozen on my face.
They're out there. And we have to face that. Sweet baby Jesus. It does look pretty. It's very cold. I want to reference how cold 5 degrees really feels, especially like getting your kit off. It is
Chilly.
it's bolted.
Steam.
I know. And the worst thing is that I'm warm in here. So as soon as I take this off, it's like a double whammy of being cold on the outside, and then you're fucking freezing once you get in the water. Okay. Huh? Has anyone got a phone? 3 minutes.
Steve, can you got your phone on? Yeah.
You got your phone?
Take a picture of him. I need the feet up
You can move that. It never gets easier.
Well, let's bottle that up.
That will be the last sea dip that we do down in Devon.
Thank the Lord.
We tried doing it on most days. I don't know how many we've achieved. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, we go home today. So
The tub's less fun though, because at least you get to be in nature and kind of like feel the power in nature.
yeah, and
It's not a swim, but
people see you doing this as well. You know, so you look brave.
no ego rub.
Get the day. I'll say now, for those who are debating cold therapy and cold swims, it's not about doing it every day. It's also not about doing it in the coldest temperatures.
close to tears.
So yeah, they hurt so much. Just little enough of them when you can. It's just, I believe it's good to do the hard things. What? As a friendly reminder to people out there, get outside, go for a walk, go for a mooch.
Stand in your garden.
You'll feel better. Fucking every time I go out for a walk, I feel great. This is lovely. Do it.